Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change the handle of the edge panel on Samsung Galaxy S25. You can change the position without going to settings by pressing and holding, then adjusting it. But if the position is locked, then you cannot. And now I'm gonna show you how to change it in settings. So go to settings, then go to display and find edge panels. Now, when you go to handle, you can lock or unlock the position. But even if it's locked, then you can change it in the handle editing in the settings. So I'm gonna put it maybe here, I guess. You can change the position as well, like to the left or right. And you can change the color. The transparency, the size, and the width. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.